Hi guys, I showed you I'd bought this Neutron Stunt top in a charity shop recently. I was rather hoping it was going to be some clever bit of electronics and I was going to take it apart to have a look. Since I showed you the original video, I've had a look online. I found a few videos on the subject. There's even a review by Tim on Grandad. So I put all the videos I found into a playlist, which will be up here somewhere, I think. I'll put a link to it. But I'm disappointed. It's not as clever as I thought. It's still a nice bit of design and nicely done, but I was hoping there was some sort of pulse motor involvement here with some electronics and transistors and that sort of thing. But there isn't. What we've got here, the handle is 2 AA batteries. Then there's conductors come down here, and if I use a pointy stick, we've got a tip in there and a ring here. The tip and the ring make contact with the tip and the ring here, and then inside there that's connected through to a little electric motor, just an ordinary electric motor, that if you hold this bit still it spins the outer ring, or when it's able to spin on its own the inner bit spins in the opposite direction. So it depends which has the most mass as to which one gets going first, I suppose. But if I just hold that on there and let it go, once it's settled itself down, depending on the frame rate of the camera and various bits of friction there, either the outside is spinning or the inside spinning. In fact, it's the outside spinning mainly. And we can demonstrate if I just very simply get a battery. If I can get one side to clip on to that tip and hold the outer ring. There we go. Away it goes. Or, if I'm very gentle, we can do it the opposite way around. I can just hold the outside bit, lightly touch that on there and on there, and that's the motor spinning rather than the outside spinning. So we'll have a look inside anyway, but it's not as exciting as I'd hoped. Okay, so that just holds this assembly in place, the green bit. And that, yeah, there's a bit of a bearing in the bottom of there, but the outer bit is a tight fit on the shaft of the motor. And then if we take this apart, feel it's spring loaded. There we go. So what we've got there, those two springs, except that I've just got them stuck to my magnetic screwdriver, make contact with the tip and the ring, and then that makes contact with the centre piece there, which is wired away to one side of the motor. Oh, point with that. So centre piece there is wired to one side of the motor, and then the outer piece, which, get that the right way around, that spring makes contact with. That piece there is soldered to the other side of the motor. So that's all we've got, just an electric motor in there, which if I connect my battery up to, because there's nothing to demonstrate that spinning, is there? We'll just push that on there for now, so we've got something to actually spin. And if I can get my fingers in here, connect on there, connect on there, and away we go. So that's all it is, an electric motor inside. Alright, that goes back in there. They're all sitting in there nicely. That just drops straight on top. Yep, that's it. On that side. Pushes in there. Yeah, I think the spring there is just to maintain contact. Yeah. If it wasn't spring loaded, it wouldn't maintain regular contact. Line up properly. Okay, check we're still working. Yeah, that's all still working. So put it back on there. Failed to keep it in shot. So there we go, that's it. I suppose I could just take this bit apart as well so we can see what's inside. In here, a couple of AA batteries. That one's even a little bit corroded, but still working for us. I'll leave that screw in place, and we've got battery contact, red wire. This bit doesn't do anything. It should, but it doesn't. and I haven't got the missing bit to demonstrate with. It should come up as a hole through there. It should attach on the back here. On the Grand Illusions video he said it was a magnet on the end of it, but because we haven't got it we can't find out. Right, in here, okay, that comes off. So that's the ring that makes contact with one end of the battery. Pull this apart, I've got a spring in there. And that's a magnet. So the blue, which is the negative end, makes contact with a little spring in there, which is the battery push up against. And then that's our negative contact. So the tip is negative, and then the brass ring is the positive. And that's it. What happened to that spring? Ah, there it is. So I'll put the spring back in. So that's it. Nothing, no clever electronics in there. Oh, it's not going to screw into anything unless I put it on there, is it? That's better. In there. So I'm guessing if we put fresh batteries in there it'd go even faster. But I'm not going to. And there we go. Right, failed. Tried to get it to jump out. Try and jump it again. That's better. Except that it's all the way over there again. So there we go. That was a disassembly and reassembly of the Neutron Stunt top. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.